Yes. Oh, kana. Next is exaggerated honesty. Okay. So one of the types of lie is exaggeration of one's honesty. Kanang too good to be true. No? Ang iyang baka katuhuan jud ba dingkid siya wadyo ikalalis iyang kuan, no? So if someone is promising or swearing that he or she is telling the truth, and even though the interrogator did not show any doubt in the subject's answer, this is clearly a sign of a lie. Kami yun, oh, mamatay pa ko. Ama na dayon, no? Magkuan siya, kasi tawagan na, dili siya saywar kanang basta ka na siya. Okay? Next is sympathy. No? It is hard not to believe something who appears to be sympathetic. Daghan kay ni kanang nas kalsada. Kay tag 20 bi pamilya lang wajud koy kwarta. No? Nya ikaw ka maluluyon, sympathize ka o taga.
Simple lang.
O kanang sa mall. Ma'am, paliti ko ani bi kay para makauli ko sa amua. Na? Mao na siya. So inana pod kanang mangutang. Pabaylo ata diha bi kay grabe uy. Diba? Sympathize. But that is also a lie. Gigamit na siya karon. Papa mo kabantay gibalik gigamit na siya karon, no? Gi-take advantage sa nila ang kanang pagka maluluyon sa tao, no? Next is answering questions with a question. Kanang maingon imong mama nga din magagikan. Din mo gikan. Ano laga, no? O mangutana ka. Kanang pangutanon ka, mangutana po ka o. Pareha gula sa bata nga. What is kuan? What is kuan? Ano ba? No? Ano siya? Okay? So it is difficult to tell a direct lie. As a result, people frequently avoid answering the question by changing the subject or by asking you back in this case. Sama rin is relasyon. No? Kung ang babay, kung ang babay, mangutana sa lalaki, nga mo ni, kinsa man tong kauban ni mong babay. May nolan, nadi ko'y kaubang babay. Diba? Iyang i-diving, iyahang para naman, para dili siya masakpan. No? So that is also a form of lies. No? Okay, next. So, sunod, freezing. Freeze meaning, daghan dyan siya. So, if the person could only respond after a long pause, he could be lying. So, kung ang tao imong pangutanon niya, dugay kay siya nitubag, that is lying. Namakak siya. Especially if the question you asked was simple. Ayan. Diin man kagikan.
Silence.
Hilong pa.
Yes.
Wala pa ditubag, no? So, if the person freezes for a few seconds, repeat your question as if you have no suspicions. If the pause continues, the subject is being dishonest. Kani, one-man show. If a person is clearly overacting, it indicates that their emotions are changing rapidly. If the person is not sincere, he or she may try to act surprised for a longer period of time in order to persuade the interrogator. Kabantay mo na igpangutan na. Grabe kayo siya reaction. Diba? Murag one-man show ka ng siya ka ba? Next is hostility. Hostility meaning a hostile tone of response to the question is clear indication of Deception. Kanang igpangutana, masuko dayon. Diba? Nangutana raga ita. Masuko manood ito bag. No? So that is a form of lie. No, take note ha. No. Basta masuk igpangutana, masuko gali, meaning ola na makak na. Oh, sisig gabalyo. Yawan. Okay? Next is repeating the question. If the person repeatedly asks your question, he or she is lying. Mag-quiz na class. Mag-quiz ta, ma'am? So this indicates that he or she is attempting to take his or her time in coming up with an explanation for the relevant question asked. No? Wala siya. Another, avoiding the answer. So if a person is trying to change the conversation, then he or she manifested a sign of guilt. So kung mag-ari ko mag-example sa mga boys. Kay ilig pangutana, daghan pang liko-liko.
Kami din, no?
Lay man ang sa mga babae.
Football man yun, football.
Ha? O, diba, ingon. Kinsa man yung naas picture. Ako din ang naas picture. Ako man ang ig-agaw. Ig-agaw. Ha? Wala siya. Okay, so nasabtan ra ang observation methods sa mga nag-lies. Ha? Okay, so I'll give you 15 minutes break.